So there's no coverage for that additional damage. Another exclusion would be governmental action. This is going to be destruction, confiscation, or seizure of property by governmental authority, right? So the only thing that doesn't apply to this exclusion would be fire. Fire is always covered. Nuclear hazard, so if you got a budding Sheldon Cooper, or if there was a leak of radiation from any other type of source, commercial or otherwise, this would not be able to be covered by an insurance policy, just too large of a hazard to be covered by a property policy. War, same type of situation, but this also includes insurrections, rebellions, and revolutions. Right? So depending on how these are technically defined, and this is why there's a lot of lawyers out there, but basically this is something that generally is not going to be able to be covered. One big thing to understand is that all property policies will not cover what we call intentional losses, right? So somebody who commits or directs another to commit an intentional act with the intent to cause a loss, this would not be covered. It's always going to be excluded. And if the insurance company can prove that it's an intentional loss, which they will try and do if it possibly can be done, will not have a coverage for that situation. All right, time to review some questions on general property policies here. Number one, the insured's roof is damaged in a hailstorm. The insurance company asks the insured to cover the hole so that the rain will not get in and further damage the property. This is an example of what policy condition? A, appraisal, B, abandonment, C, duties after a loss, or D, duty to defend. So in this case, this is going to be C, duties after a loss. Number two, which of the following statements about a mortgagee's rights under a property form is not correct? So they're looking for the false statement about the mortgagee's rights under a property form. So A, no act by the insured will jeopardize the mortgagee's rights. B, the mortgagee may file a proof of loss if the insured fails to do so. C, the mortgagee is entitled to receive prior notice of the policy's cancellation. Or D, the mortgagee may abandon the insured property to the insurance company. In this case, the one that is not allowed is going to be the last one, D. The mortgagee may not abandon the insured's property to the insurance company. So the insured can't do this, so the mortgagee also cannot do this.